In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text box in Power BI Desktop. Text boxes are perfect for adding titles, subtitles, notes, or quick explanations directly on your report canvas, and creating one takes just a moment. Start by opening your report in Power BI Desktop and look to the ribbon at the top. Click the Insert tab. This tab is where you'll find all the items you can place on your canvas, and the option we want is Text Box. Select Text Box, and right away a large square placeholder appears on your report page. That's your text box, ready for typing and design tweaks. Click inside the box and start typing your content. Use it for a clear page title, a brief instruction, or a helpful annotation near a visual. As you type, you'll see formatting controls that let you adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and emphasis. Keep titles concise and readable, and choose high contrast colors to make your text easy to see against the report background. You can move the text box by dragging it to a new spot and resize it using the handles around the edges. If your text wraps in a way that feels cramped, widen the box or increase line spacing for clarity. Think about placement too. Keep titles near the top and position notes close to the visuals they describe so your audience can make the connection quickly. To refine the design further, open the formatting options for the text box. Here you can set background color and transparency, add or remove borders, adjust padding, and fine-tune alignment. A subtle background with a thin border can help a note stand out without overwhelming your visuals. If you're using a theme, your fonts and colors can stay consistent across the report, which keeps everything looking cohesive. Remember that a text box is static, so it won't change when you filter or slice data. That makes it ideal for context, instructions, and labels that should always remain the same. If you need dynamic text that updates with selections, consider that separately, but for simple, clear messaging, a standard text box is the fastest solution. And that's all there is to it. Go to the Insert tab, select Text Box, and use the box that appears to enter your text and fine-tune its design. With just those steps, you can make your reports clearer, more informative, and easier to navigate.